Today, I'll show you how to create an old TV opening animation, a cool retro effect that gives your video a vintage CRT style intro. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Once your clip is in place, select it and head over to the right side editing panel. Next, go to the animation tab. Under the in section, scroll down and look for the old TV effect. This animation simulates the flickering screen of an old television turning on, adding a nostalgic vibe to your edit. Now, to control the effect's intensity, drag the duration slider. A shorter duration will make the TV flicker quickly, while a longer duration extends the transition for a more dramatic effect. And that's it. You've successfully added an old TV opening animation in CapCut PC. Experiment with different durations to match the look and feel of your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tricks.